what I'm going to do now is I'm going to marble my fondant. I'm going to start with just a little bit of yellow because I want it all, I mean, it's kind of ivory to begin with, but I want it all, whoops, there's another color on my tube. Well, that's really good. Okay, wash my hands off. End up with a tiny bit of purple in it. That's okay. It's going to be marbly anyway. Evidently I have a leaky tube here, so we're gonna color the entire base color, a little bit of the yellow, the lemon yellow. So knead that in. I mean, this is already kind of ivory. There it goes. You see the color coming in? There we go. It's best if you start with an ivory fondant. It says it was white, but it's not. It's really ivory. Okay. So we get that kneaded in, so we got a pretty good base color going on. It's a little streaky, which is fine. The idea is to make it look kind of marbly. So I'm going to add a little bit of the egg yellow, which is this one. Okay, just a drop because you don't need much to cover this guy. All right. Seems kind of bright. Boy, for egg yellow, that seems really bright. Okay, get that all in. I want an orange tint to this, so I'm going to use the copper and the orange. Working, need your workout, there you go. All right. And it's kind of streaky, which is fine. Like that streakiness. And we don't want much of the other colors. Okay, that's good. Just a teeny little bit because I want it to streak in a couple spots. Okay, that was the copper. And this is orange. I only want a little tiny piece of that. Just some dots. I don't want a lot of orange in here. I like the copper though. One more dot of the copper. So I just got a couple dots around there because I don't want to mix it in all the way. I'm going to put a little shortening on my hand so it's not so sticky. Okay. Ugh. And you want to knead it, and the trick is not to knead it too much. Just so you got some streaks going on and nothing else. Whew. Wow, that's bright. Oh well. Yikes, that's bright. A little bright. Twist. And I think that's about all I'm going to do. So what I want to do now is roll it out. So a little bit of cornstarch. This is sticky. And you want to roll it out. So we got the marbly streaks going on there. And you kind of want to roll it into a giant square. Now I need to crumb coat my cake too, so I'm going to stop in the middle of my rolling and crumb coat it, and then I'm going to roll it a little bit more. So I don't want my fondant to dry. I don't want my buttercream to crust either. Okay, looks like I gotta get some pins. I got a little bit of air in here. Poke it. Need a pin. There it is. There we go. Get the air bubbles out. Just poke them on the side and rub.